Welcome back. It's about to get real fun around here.
Woo, I'm so
We cannot
excited.
wait. You know, pickleball has been recognized as one of the fastest growing sports in the past few years. However, there is a new contender in town giving pickleball some pretty tough competition.
Yeah, it's called granny basketball. It's a sport that has captured the attention of senior women across the country. Our lifestyle correspondent, 𝐒𝐥𝐻𝐦 caught up with these age-defying athletes to dive into the phenomenon that is granny basketball.
Aren't grannies just the best? Except these grannies ain't serving cookies. They're serving layups. They're called the Cowtown Heifers. They're the official granny basketball team of Fort Worth, Texas, and these grannies mean business.
We are gung-ho. We want to win some games. We want to go to the nationals.
What started as a way for just one woman to get some exercise grew to become the National Granny Basketball League with teams all across the country.
There are a lot of teams in Kansas, Iowa, Oklahoma's got teams, Louisiana has a team. It's growing. It's a growing sport, so we hope to see it grow even better.
All right, I'm about to earn my spots. Honorary Cowtown Heifer.
The league is for women 50 and over, and their rules, just like their league, are a little unique. They play 6-on-6, and granny shots are worth 3 points. And while there's no running or jumping allowed, hurrying and attitude is highly encouraged.
It's a lot of fun for us because we are getting up in our years and we do want to stay active. We don't want to just sit around and vegetate in our rocking chairs and knit. Sorry, Mom.
The players pay homage to 1920s women's basketball with their uniform of bloomers, midi blouses, and knee-high stockings. These grannies come from all walks of life, from retired law enforcement to geoscientists, postal workers, and more.
We will take anybody that wants to be active and wants to play. We will play you in every game.
This year, the Cowtown Heifers are gearing up to play in the National Off Your Rocker tournament, and they have one message for their opponents.
Here we come. We are Cowtown Heifers, and we are out to win.
I'm telling you what, this is so impressive, and they've got the smack talk coming with them. I mean, they are already talking this morning. 𝐒𝐥𝐻𝐦, I'm impressed with you too.
Thank you.
Good job,
Your
my
granny
friend.
shot was awesome.
It was.
Thank you. Listen, I became an honorary heifer that day. I am so excited, you guys. This was something that, like, I went out there, I was really impressed with how much they brought it. So you guys got to bring it today.
We are going to bring it. We're going to do our best. But I'm curious, so where's the support coming from? Who is supporting this team?
You know what? I'm really glad you asked that because the Cowtown Heifers, they are able to do what they do because of Game On Sportsplex. They're also able to do what they do because of the White Settlement Recreation Center out in White Settlement, Texas, and also because of Oak Street Health.
Oh, that's great. So they've got financial support. Are they looking to grow? Can they take new members?
Yeah.
Yes, Dominique, absolutely. I can tell you right now, you're gonna get them mooing. You're gonna get them mooing over there because they're putting out a cattle call.
Okay.
So any grannies watching, if they want to join the team, they can.
Absolutely.
Okay.
All right,
So
good.
Dominique, you guys, we're gonna get suited up. Here is your jersey. You're an official Morning Mare Street
Wow.
star.
Okay.
Oh, I have one.
Represent us well, guys.
Okay, wait,
Here's
here.
your shoes.
Okay.
I'm gonna
We
need
even have
you.
our names on them.
Yeah.
I love this.
Okay, I just have to say, for the record, mine was misspelled, but it came from overseas, so what do you expect? It is what it is.
Here are your shoes, my friend.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right.
Okay.
We've got our jerseys. We've got our shoes.
Yes.
Now
Wow.
it's time to make our shots.
Okay.
And
don't go too far, because when we come back, Banchin and I, we're going to do more than work on our granny shots. We're going to get
Absolutely.
serious with
that's
this.
right. We're
All right.
suiting up.
Suiting up.
Suit up, ladies.
Stick around.
Welcome back to Mare Street Madness. I'm 𝐒𝐥𝐻𝐦, and we are watching granny basketball history unfold right here in our Morning on Mare Street studio. We have the official granny basketball team of Fort Worth, Texas in the house, Cowtown Heifers. Woo! All right, and for the very first time, they're going to be taking on our very own Marriage Street stars. But before we start, do you guys have any shout-outs?
Sure, I'd like to give a shout out to our sponsors, Game On Sports Complex in Fort Worth, White Settlement Recreation Center in White Settlement,
and Oak Street Health in Fort Worth.
What about you, Kay?
All the teams in the National Granny Basketball League.
All right, ladies, it's time to introduce you guys to our Merritt Street starters. You ready? First up, we have Dominique Dunk On Ya Saksa.
All right. Do this.
Next up, we have our very own Fanchon Fake You Out Stinger. Yes.
Okay.
All right, ladies, how we feeling?
Feeling good.
Okay, really quick.
We didn't warm up. We've been sitting.
Love
for 2
it.
hours.
All right, guys. Listen up. We're going to go through these rules very quickly. So,
Okay.
need your attention.
All
Here we
right.
go. No running, no jumping. You make sure to, make sure to dribble them. No running, no jumping. Make
What
sure
have we
to,
been rehearsing for?
you dribble only twice. That's the most you can dribble.
Okay.
No reaching, no contact.
Got it.
Got it?
Well, you
Okay.
just took all the fun out of this.
Granny shots.
Okay.
3 points,
3
ladies.
points.
Seriously.
All right.
Wow.
All right.
Okay.
So you guys ready?
Okay.
Keep it a
Double
fun,
dribble.
clean
Okay.
game. I believe in you.
All right.
Okay.
What do we do?
Done.
We block it?
Oh, yeah. Go. 1, 2. Okay. No. Go. D up.
Here we go. Here we go.
Get it. Good job. All right. All right.
Done.
Oh, sorry. No touching. Got it.
30 seconds, ladies.
We need a... Get it in here. Here. 20 seconds.
The game is tied, folks. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Go.
4,
Shoot.
2, 1. Ladies, come on over. Come on over here. Let me get you guys over here.
Okay.
All right. That was a great game.
I'm out of breath.
I can't
Dominique Fanchon.
We're gonna...
Just you go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, guys, you know what? They
Great.
played a great game. They brought it. Thank you so much. Cowtown Heifers for being in the house today.
You guys are tough. That was fun.
We're definitely going to have a rematch soon, but stay with us.
They want me to read. Are they kidding me? Patty Reed.
We'll definitely be back. We're going to have a rematch soon. Ladies, that was a great game. Again, joining us, Cowtown Heifers, one more time. All right, ladies, we'll be right back.
Oh my gosh, that was so, we're still catching our breath.
still
We need a cardio segment next because clearly we have to work on it. May, how'd we do?
Great.
Great.
Thank
you. May, you're 70?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my gosh.
70 years young, and
Yeah.
you've still got your moves. You're going to demonstrate for us a granny shot because we didn't even get a chance to try one of those.
No.
But you said the key is to set it up further away from the basket and then go for it. All right. So you want to demonstrate it for us right now?
Give us your best granny shot.
Best granny
granny
shot.
shot.
Nate.
Okay.
This was my granny shot mentor right here.
Oh, was she?
Yeah, she helped me do my...
Yes.
Not bad.
Sweet.
May.
Now we do want to point out that the granny shots are worth 3
3
points.
points. That's right.
So very
We're sitting there up
impressive.
against the hoop. We never pulled back to do the granny shot.
Now, what do you guys
You
think?
do it. Do
Oh,
a granny.
yeah, here we go.
Oh, granny
Joe,
shot.
granny
Okay,
shot.
Let's go, Joe.
I'm not. My form is probably not as good as May, but
Let's see what you got.
hey,
Basketball stars. Oh, God, you got to put
hey,
Hattie.
the magic, May. The magic is in the
She
ball.
trained you.
Yes.
It's true.
This was your segment. You better make it.
Here we go.
Come on, Hattie.
For the money.
Oh!
lost our jib.
Hey, you did a great job. First one to break the camera.
There we go.
That's exactly. Well done.
New studio, new studio.
Okay. All right, guys.
This has been such a fun time, and we have a lot more still coming up. We've got the news on Mary Street coming up tonight, of
That's right. We
course.
still got news to do, right?
Yeah, we
Oh,
have
yeah.
news to do. And then there is Dr. Phil Primetime. We were talking about this on the set before the break, but it's part 2 of his border episodes.
Yeah, Dr. Phil visits the U.S.-Mexico border in person. He is going to show you what is really going on at the border and what it's really like there.
Meantime, we hope you have an amazing Friday. If anything, I hope this has been something that excites you about getting outside, maybe even getting with your family, your grandkids. Grab a basketball and have a good time. I mean, that, aside from the workout,
yes,
we're having fun.
We're having so much fun.
Yes, so have fun.
Great weekend. Thank you for joining us here on Morning on Mary Street.
See you Monday.
See ya. Woo!